I want to make sure, since we have some new people to the class and since I've been getting some kind of inadequate answers, that you know exactly what to do today. So this is your brain activator for today. You are going to be writing a hyperbole paragraph. I want you to notice that it says here that hyperbole is an exaggeration, okay? Then I want you to watch this video so that you can see all kinds of examples of hyperbole. If this video will not work for you for some reason, just click here down at the bottom and you can watch the SafeTube version, same video, okay? So this gives you an example of hyperbole from an actual book, and it describes in a whole paragraph what somebody looks like, a character, using all kinds of hyperbole. So this is your example. I want you to aim for an example like this. When you write, you're not going to give me one sentence, okay? You're going to give me, where it says here, your turn, write a paragraph where you describe a person, real or fictional, using hyperbole. You will not get full credit today unless you have written a full detailed paragraph with at least 5 sentences. I won't. I will give you 1 point if I do not get a full paragraph with details. 1 point, okay? And I am stressing this because you guys, I'm getting exasperated because this is week 3 and I am still getting responses that are not what I'm asking for. So I'm trying to make it very clear. All right? Details. It doesn't just tell me he was huge. It tells me that his hands were bigger than shovels. His torso was the size of an oil drum. His feet were the size of river barges. His neck was a foot wide. His shoulders were a yard wide. His head was bigger than a basketball. On and on and on. Those are details. You need to give those, all right? So what I'm hoping for today is that I end up giving 1,000,000 5 out of 5s for all of the amazing work that I know you are all capable of giving me. You should spend at least 5 minutes on your daily brain activator doing your writing. So 5 minutes worth of work, I'm going to assume, is not overwhelming, but is also not one lame little sentence. Deal? Okay? I'm setting the bar high because I know that you can do this. I know you can. Faith in you. Get to it.